Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I blow dry my hair. I started blow drying my hair a different way. I'm using a new hair dryer that I am totally in love with, you guys. I have really been loving this Muttus leafless hair dryer. This is it. The design on here looks so cool, you guys. I love the kind of charcoal color and the bronze color on the inside, and I just love it. It is so aesthetically pleasing to me. I think this hairdryer is so chic. Also love that the parts are magnetic. This was my first time having a leafless magnetic hairdryer. I thought that was totally awesome. It comes with 3 heads, so you get your diffuser head. Now this is good for wash and go styles. For me, I love using this for my wash and goes, and it really cuts my drying time incredibly short. I spend no time defusing my hair with this bad boy. You also get 2 other ones. I used the longer one today to blow dry my hair, and for those really small sections of hair and really concentrate that air in those really tight spaces. Let's say my hair is already dry right here. I can just take this attachment, pop it on, and really concentrate on that small section. So I love that about that. So you do get control of where the heat goes, because you don't want to have heat damage on your hair. That's not fun for anybody. More about the Muttus hair dryer. I use this in a brush, and I brush my hair to blow dry it. It does not get tangled, so it glides in and glides out pretty nicely. It won't tangle up your hair, so I do like that. Unlike other blow dryers, I could use the lowest setting on some of my hair dryers and it can still feel like my hair is super dry. With using this leafless blow dryer, I did not get that at all. Like, my hair still felt nice and moisturized. It didn't feel brittle. It didn't feel like it would break. It actually did the opposite. It felt like it was smoother, even the shine. And also I felt like my flyaways aren't that bad. I still get some flyaways, but usually my flyaways are all over the place, especially if I don't flat iron my hair. And I have not flat ironed my hair. I just bantued my hair up after I blow dried it. I feel like my hair is not like frizzing up like a puff. I feel like it still looks really good considering that all I did was blow dry it. Alright guys, and more about the features of the Muttus. It has a high-speed turbo fan, brushless motor, up to 12 m/sec airflow, 3 precise heat settings, and 3 speed settings calibrated at 1200,000 RPM range. It also has supersonic technology and innovative thermal installation technology. It has a dual wind tunnel design, and it's 360 magnetic nozzle. So that means that you can spin this nozzle all the way around. Really like that. And that's something that was so cool to me, that I can just turn it to whatever way my arm is, and I can have it flat and going down at an angle. So I really like that about this hair dryer. It's so unique, you guys. It has a built-in extreme heat protection feature, and also a cold shot button to close the hair cuticles and lock in the style. And I love the way this hair dryer lights up at the side. It has 3 little lights on each side, and one is for red, so that's of course your heat. And then you also have 3 lights for the cool button. So you have 2 buttons on each. You have your heat button right here, and you also have your cool button, and then you have your on and off switch. The link for the hair dryer will be in the description box, so be sure to look for that. Yeah, so I highly recommend it. I can't say anything bad about it. It's an awesome hair dryer. My favorite feature about this, I feel like it doesn't damage my hair. And I feel like this is the best at-home salon level hair drying. If you guys want to see how I blow dry my hair, please stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.